From this side you can see they are plucking tea, and yeah, the view also you can properly see, right? I hope you can see the view, and me as well. I'm making video for you guys. I wanted to show you. I know people want to see tea garden, how it looks like, how it is, how the view is, and everything. So yeah, you can see